Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can hide all Facebook photos, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, let's go ahead, open up your Facebook app, and let's go ahead, cross this out and go back. Now originally you will be here in this section, and then if you would like to hide every photo from your profile, then you're gonna go ahead, tap on this menu icon at the bottom right corner, and now go ahead from this section, scroll down and go to the section of audience and visibility, and tap on posts, and tap on who can see your future post, limit who can see post, tap on it and turn it to only me and save it. Once you do that, only the photos that you post will be only visible to you. Now go back, go limit who can see your post, tap on view. Now you're gonna go back and gonna do the same with your profile and tagging. You're gonna go ahead, tap on view and sharing who can post on your profile, who can see what others post on your profile. You can do to only me, tap on save, and who can post on your profile, only me, tap on save. That way nobody else will be able to tag you, or even if they tag you, nobody else will be able to check out those photos. Now this works for the future photos, but if you have some already posted, if you want to simply hide them, you gotta tap on this three dot, as you can see, option of move to trash or edit privacy, and you gotta turn them to friends if you want them to see, or if you want nobody to see, just go ahead, simply delete the post itself, and that should help. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.